So today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a tonneau cover on the Hyundai Santa Cruz. You just open up the tailgate here. And here there's 6 bolts. There's 3 here. There's 3 over here. Now these bolts here are just a normal 10mm socket. So just loosen these up. There's 3 of them here on each side. Once you get those 6 bolts off here, 3 on each side, the whole tonneau cover is actually loose at this point. The whole rail is loose and the whole thing will actually slide out already. So once you take off the carabiner, it actually comes out pretty easily. I would recommend removing it while the tonneau cover is open rather than closed. When it's closed, it pushes these tabs and makes it harder to take out. When it's open, you can kind of flex these a little bit and they'll just come right out. Another thing to keep in mind when you're taking these rails off, there are these rubber drains. There's 4 of them. There's 2 in the front there, and there's 2 on the back here. And you'll have to be careful to make sure not to rip those or anything, but it's pretty easy not to do that. Put this here. Okay, ready? Lift. Slide. With a little bit of finagling, you can lift it up here. Oops. That just kind of comes out. Normally, I'd probably recommend removing these brackets, which are here. If you remove these brackets, it'll be easier to take out. But with the tonneau cover open, we were able to finagle it a little bit. And I'm trying to keep it together in one piece, but yeah, that's pretty much out. We're just gonna lift it here.
Okay, go ahead and lift yours first.
There you go. Okay. So there are these rubber drains here. And when you take it off, there's 4. There's 1 on each corner, 1 there. This one on the end here came off, but don't worry, it pops right back on. There's just some tabs here. And just get the tabs on. It's good to go, super easy. Now it's ready for storage. Here's where those rubber drains go. There's 1 in each corner. And there's 1 in the back here. These are just kind of open. Not sure what to do with that, but that's all right, I don't mind. And if you want, this rail also comes off. So there's 3 more 10mm bolts here to take off this back rail. There's a lip. There you go. That's it. There is a zip tie here that came off. This was holding on the rubber grommet for the water drain. It'll probably need to be replaced here, but it looks like a simple zip tie. And that's how you remove the tonneau cover. With this longer space, I plan to put a dirt bike in here. I'll add footage to show the bike in here too. Well, there you go. All done.